That's the most fun in dentistry, when you can really make a difference in somebody's life. And doing a filling on a back tooth doesn't really excite anybody, but when you can change somebody's life with their smile, that's exciting. That's what dentistry is all about, and that's the most fun for me in dentistry. And when you have somebody who doesn't smile, who's not confident in their smile, who's not getting the kind of job that they want or they deserve because they're not smiling, you know what? Those are life changers. Those are life changers for people. So that's why we do the contest. We always look for somebody who we can make a big difference in their life. Ideally, somebody whose life we can change. Elizabeth told me that she lost her job because her teeth would fall out in the middle of work and they would send her home. And after a while, they just didn't have her come back anymore. How does somebody feel when that happens? How do you feel about yourself, about your outlook on life when those kind of things happen? And when you can change something like that for somebody, as a dentist, there's probably no greater feeling in the world than that. I know Elizabeth is doing great. She's very happy with her smile, and I could see it. She just has a much more natural smile now. When people are not used to smiling, when they're embarrassed about their smile, they change the way their whole facial features change. The way that they speak, the way that they interact with people. And you could see it in her. She's more relaxed. She has a more natural smile. She's just more of herself, really. Well, sedation dentistry is really great for three kinds of people. Number one, for the person who's very apprehensive, somebody who just can't sit in the chair. It's not that they don't know that they need dental work done, but they just can't sit in the chair and have it done. For people who are severe gaggers, and again, it's not that they don't know that they need the dental work done, but they just gag and they can't have any instruments or anything in their mouth. And actually, when somebody's a severe gagger, it makes them apprehensive because they are not happy. They can't tolerate sitting in the chair. And the third type of person is for somebody who doesn't get numbed up very easily. No matter how many shots they get, it's always uncomfortable for them. The experience is always uncomfortable. And after a while, they just can't do it anymore. It's funny you should say that, because I've seen people get married after they've had their teeth restored. I've seen people get divorced after they've had their teeth restored. But it's really, I would say that it really gives people more of what they want. It gives them the confidence and self-assurance to do what they wanted to do in the first place. Nowadays there are very few people who are not candidates for dental implants. It's a great way to replace teeth. For people who've had dentures for a long time, for people who can't tolerate having dentures, implants is a great way for them to have new teeth. And it's also for people who just have a space or two, or a tooth that's just gone bad. It's really been a life changer for a lot of people. We have a lot of people who are very nervous when they come in here at first. And our job is to take really good care of people. We need to make them feel very comfortable. We need to make them feel secure, because that's the only way that they'll really address the issues that they need to address for themselves. We take really good care of our patients. They put their trust in us, they're very nervous, and we make sure that we take really good care of them. If anybody has any questions, just give us a call. We'll gladly talk to you.